Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Petite Mama YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Eunice. I'm a mom and I'm a wifey, and yes, welcome back to another videos. And on today's video is all about getting to know your girl, getting to know what your girl is into, what she does as a mom when it comes to organizing a living room. And I'm also doing this video because so many people ask me, how do you manage to blend the bright colors that you have? I'm a bright girl. I love bright girl colors, so I would even wear bright colors any day, anytime. So I'm going to give you some few tips on what to do or what not to do, or where I purchased 1, 2, or 3 items. And I'm also going to give you 1, 2, or 3 tips when it comes to to teaching your kids or training your kids not to touch what they're not supposed to touch. Yeah, I know it can get really messy, especially when you have toddlers, but I feel like kids, it's all about training them early enough. Like for me, I feel like my child already knows that she's not allowed to write on the walls. It's just basic knowledge, just to tell her, if you want to write, get a paper, get a book, and scribble whatever you want to, but don't do it on the wall because it gets quite messy, just to try to get rid of the colors on the walls. And I love my walls plain and blank because I feel like kids grow up, so if you allow them to be too messy, they will grow up knowing that I can mess with this and I can mess with this. But once a while, there are places where she knows that she cannot touch, and there are things she knows that she can play with them and touch as long as she wants. So welcome to this video. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and let's do this. So please remember to subscribe, and if you're not subscribing, please at least give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to use my balcony entrance because of the lighting. I feel like the lighting from this angle is so much better. So for the purpose of this video, let me just use the balcony door. Yes, my sitting room has a balcony which is very spacious, so we're going to enter from that angle. So when you come in, there's a small mat, and then you see this brightly colored living area. I'm working here with blue and orange, and then just a mix of orange. As you can see, previously I had pillowcases which were gold and maroon in color, and then I have this big window. I love these windows in this house because they are massive. They just bring in a lot of light and they make the room to be even more lively. Then what you can see here is this mat. I actually got it from Isili. It's an 8x10 size. Then the front area, this is just the TV display desk. What is it called? Something like that. We got this from Tuskys. Hubby got it on offer for 8,000. And then I have the Teletubbies, the puffed animals, so it's easy for my baby girl just to take them and play with them anytime. I hate these wires which are from the speakers. They just look messy. I really don't like them. I'm trying to figure out how to get them. They just make the room look like I don't know what I'm doing. And then you come to this other side, which is the dining area. It's a small dining. I'm just going to tell you all about it. It's meant for 4 people. So for this dining set of 4 seats, I got it done by a local fundi at only 11,000 bob. That is because I already had wood, so it was cheaper. So I called him over and I had a design already in mind, and the same wood that remained, he got me this bookshelf for only 4,000 bob. I feel like this bookshelf is just everything in my house. I have done a video on this bookshelf, so I'm going to leave it in the link below. And I have talked about the books that I've read and how my husband slowly collects his books. Down here, I just have a basketball because my husband and I, we just love basketball. And then over here, just to let my child know that she has something that she can get here, is some few cards. So whenever she's around the bookshelf, I just let her have them. So that's what she can have at the moment from the bookshelf. I don't have any books for her. This other side of the wall, we have our wall picture collage that we did with my husband from scratch. I also have a video on this. I'm going to leave down on the description box, so make sure to check it out. You can do this by yourself. This other side of the wall, to be honest, I feel it looks messy. I still don't know what to do, so I only have the numbers and the letters just to get rid of them from the floor, because they are so tidy. So you can imagine if they are always on the floor, they just get to be messy. So they keep on falling, and that is because I think I'm using the wrong glue, but I'm going to work on that and just make sure that they are permanently on the wall. I don't want them anywhere on the floor, and it also becomes easier for my baby girl. Here I just have some medals that I got from my campus years when I used to play basketball. Just a few collection. It just reminds me of my campus days. So this is the view from the hallway area, or rather from the main entrance when you come into the house, or when you're coming from the kitchen. This is the whole view now of my living room area. And one tip that I can give you about large windows is always use curtains that allow so much light. That post over there, we got it from a friend at 200 bob. And then I have that other black frame that is written, live every moment, laugh every day, and love beyond words. I got it from House of Leather. This carpet, I've talked about it, got it for around 11,000 in Isili, and the color just blends so well with my curtains. But in future I will definitely get another color for the carpet. So as I was mentioning about the big windows, make sure you use curtains that allow so much light, just to make use of the large windows. So don't have heavy curtains that block the light, especially during the day. So make use of that. That is a great tip. So this just blends in so well. So that's it for this angle of my living area. So I've mentioned this TV display. It was on offer at Tuskys, and a tip that I'll give you, if you don't want your child to always try and mess the place around, just have something that you can easily put back in place. Like for me here, I just have these stuffed animals, and inside the locked drawers I just have some few documents, and on the other drawers I have some of her toys that she can easily get, and I can easily return them back. Then this corner here, I just have a printer. I have my office like ish kind of corner, but it's just basic. So the rest of the TV display is just the other stuff, like the remote. Just although I still want to work on that place. Okay, so I have to close this video here for today. That's just my arrangement for my small space living area, and I hope in future I'll be able to reorganize, redecorate, and do something extra, just go a little extra mile and add what I need to add, or things that I feel I need to buy that I haven't bought. So for now, that's it for today, and please remember to subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.